Hey y'all, today I'm going to be unboxing one of my to me from me Christmas gifts that I got from Fendi. Stick around. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my channel is all about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, your favorite handbag, your favorite jewelry, fragrances, candles, anything that you like that makes you feel a little bit better about yourself, because you deserve it. You really do. If you're new, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, all those lovely YouTubey things. It'd be nice to be able to get myself in that algorithm, slide around, show you everything that I have to offer. Don't know if it'll make a difference.
I'm not sure I understand.
Siri doesn't care. Siri doesn't understand either. YouTube doesn't understand me. Siri doesn't understand me. Just gonna have to figure things out. Anyway, so this is a from me to me item that I got from Rebag, one of my favorite luxury resale platforms. I'm not sponsored, no coupon code, none of that stuff. It's just literally what I've been out there trying. So far, I've bought from Fashion File, bought from Tradesy, I've bought from Real, Rebag, Bag Borrow Steal. I have not tried 24S, which isn't really a resale. It's a direct from consumer. I want to try Vestiaire Collective. Apparently they're now with Tradesy. I want to try Yugi's Closet, and there's one other that I'm completely blanking on that I want to try, but it will come to me at some point. But Rebag has been consistently a go-to quality. I've got a few things from Bag Borrow and Steal that have been good as well, but as far as consistency, quality, just the general customer service and value, I've really been enjoying shopping from Rebag. So this item I got for under $400, so that was a shock. I believe it's missing a component, and that's why it was so reasonable, but I think I got a really good deal. I haven't opened it yet, so I haven't even checked to make sure. All that's happened so far is I removed it from its plastic that it came in, out of the box and out of the plastic, and we are going to open this together and hopefully be pleasantly surprised with the item. So small box, so you're probably thinking it's jewelry, or I don't know, what do you think? Wallet? Card case? Guess, put down below what you think it is. But it definitely is a trendy item, and something I don't even know why I bought it, quite honestly. We'll see once it's open if it makes sense, because I often comment on items of this nature and their purpose. So let's open it up and check it out. I love the box. It's a really pretty box. There we go. And this little tiny dust bag. Nice dust bag, I have to say. All right, here she is. Did anybody guess correctly? Because I never would have guessed this item. It's not a bag. It's a, if you watch Sex and the City, it's a baguette. So this one, let me take out this little stuffing here. This one is a little unique. So it's a lovely cream color on the outside, but shocking neon green on the inside. Shocking. And it does not come with a chain strap, which I thought they all did. Interesting. So definitely has the key fob and the little hook right here. I even pulled out a chain for another video that could work with this. So let's see here. It's my Felici chain. Let me see, because I would want it to go in here, but it's not. So let's see if I put it back here. If that would work. I think it would spin around a lot. Yeah, it's definitely gonna have to just be like a bag charm. So way, way, way small. And like I said, nothing, I usually will not buy anything that doesn't have at least room for my phone. My phone is 3 times the size right now. So this is a card case, basically a glorified card case. Can't even get my card key in there. Well, I could get my fob in there. But this is literally going to be, you could put some cards back here and something over here, but like maybe the fob and a card, my license, and maybe some cash in there, and then head out the door with this, like maybe on a belt loop, or just stuff a few things in the front of it for the bag charm that it is. So I only spent $378 on it, which I know for its utility, that seems like a lot, but that's about how much I spent, I think, on some of my key fobs and key case, my clays. Yeah, so it's reasonable. And it's that nice kind of off-white, so grayish white, so I'm not worried about color transfer or anything like that. It's got the black glazing on there. So yeah, I think that's a really cute little baguette. We'll see. Do I get a full-size one at some point, or is the mini nano baguette enough for me to be satisfied with? The color is certainly interesting. I would have liked to have had a chain with it though, so I wonder, I'm gonna go and Google and see what the iterations are with the chain, and see if it's possible that it slides inside this part right here, because it was a really, really thin chain that I saw on other ones. So maybe a really thin chain slides in here, and that's how it attaches, but I'd be kind of concerned that could rip really easily. So I think I like the idea of somehow attaching it to these better. I'll just have to play around and find a better method. Oh, and I could get one of those, like what I did with my Chanel wallet. They make those little sticky attachment things for small wallet type things. So if I can find one small enough, I can get it to attach right here on the out. There I go. See, just got to talk it through. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to talk it through with you and come up with good ideas. So I will look on Etsy and see if I can find a smaller one of those strap conversion kits for this, and that would make this way more usable. Ooh, loving it. Loving it. Cutest little thing. So little gift. I can almost hang it on the tree. It can be an ornament. Very expensive ornament, but still really cute. So that was one of my gifts from me to me. Thanks for checking out the video. Take care.